best thing for an individual investor to do is to invest in index funds. But even before we go there, Charlie Munger was asked at one of the Berkshire annual meetings by a young man, how can I get rich? And Munger's response was very simple. He said, if you consistently spend less than you earn and invest it in index funds, dollar cost average, because you're putting in money every paycheck. Mm-hmm. He said that in about 20, 30 or 40 years, you can't help but be rich. It's just bound to happen. And so any individual investor, if they just put away 5, 10, 15% of their income every month, and they just bought into the low-cost index funds, and just 2 or 3 of them, just split it amongst them, you're done. There's nothing else to be done. Now, if you go to active managers, the stats are pretty clear. 80 to 90% of active managers underperform the indices. But even the 10 or 20% who do, only 1 in 200 managers outperforms the index consistently by more than 3% a year. So the chances that an individual investor will find someone who'll beat the index by more than 3% a year is less than 1%. It's 0.5%. So it's not worth playing that game.
And in terms of index funds, S&P 500?
I'd say Vanguard is a great way to go. I think you could do S&P 500 index, you could do the Russell 2000, and if you wanted to, you could do an emerging market index. But I think if you just blend those 3, 1/3 each, you're done. And if you're in your 20s and you start doing this, you don't need to even go into bonds and other things. You can just do this for a long time and you'll be fine.